Notion versus CoSchedule. Which productivity tool is right for you? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Notion and CoSchedule, two powerful productivity and planning tools. While both help teams organize tasks, projects, and workflows, they serve different needs. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know which one is the best fit for you. Now, let's dive in. What is Notion? Notion is an all-in-one workspace that combines note-taking, project management, and database organization in one place. It's widely used for personal productivity, team collaboration, and knowledge management. Some of its standout features are customizable workspaces with drag-and-drop functionality, databases, Kanban boards, and wikis for project management, collaboration tools with real-time editing, templates for content planning, CRM, and more, integration with third-party apps like Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier. And I would say that it is best fit for individuals, teams, and businesses needing a flexible all-in-one organization tool. On the other hand, what is CoSchedule? CoSchedule is a marketing and content management tool designed for bloggers, content creators, and marketing teams to plan and automate campaigns. It focuses on social media scheduling, content marketing, and editorial planning. Some of its standout features are marketing calendar for content and social media scheduling, social media automation with bulk scheduling, project and task management for marketing teams, and headline analyzer to improve content performance, integration with WordPress, HubSpot, and Google Analytics. And I would say that it is best fit for marketing teams, bloggers, and content creators who need structured planning tools. Now, let's explore some key differences of both platforms. For example, primary use cases. When it comes on to Notion, I would say Notion is an all-purpose workspace for task management and knowledge storage and collaboration, while CoSchedule is marketing specific, helping teams plan, automate, and optimize content. And if we were to talk about content and social media management, CoSchedule provides advanced marketing automation, including social media scheduling and bulk posting, while Notion on the other hand allows for content planning but lacks built-in automation for social media. Now let's look at their pricing. With Notion you can get started for completely free, and their monthly plan begins at $12 per month and it can go up to $18 per month. With CoSchedule you can also get started for free, and their monthly plan begins at $19 per month and it can go up to $49 per month. So in conclusion, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose CoSchedule if you're a marketer, blogger, or content creator looking for a structured way to plan and automate marketing campaigns. While on the contrary, I would recommend Notion if you want a versatile workspace for organizing notes, tasks, and projects across different teams. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit that like button